Are your favorite apps on your TCL TV freezing, crashing, or simply refusing to open? Don't worry, because we are going to get your streaming back on track right now. Welcome back to Tech Vibes. This usually happens when the TV's internal memory gets overloaded or the system cache becomes corrupted after a long session of binge watching. Let's clear those digital pipes with 10 advanced solutions. Step 1. Perform a system restart. Do not just turn the screen off. Go into your system settings and select Restart. This fully shuts down the background processes that are likely clogging up your apps. Step 2. Clear the individual app cache. Go into your app management settings and select the specific app that is crashing. Click on Clear Cache to remove temporary files that often cause the app to hang. Step 3. Force stop the unresponsive app. If an app is stuck on a loading screen, go to the app info page and select Force Stop. This kills the process and allows it to reload from scratch. Step 4. Check your storage space. TCL TVs have limited internal memory. If you have less than 1 GB free, delete a few apps you don't use to give the system room to breathe. Step 5. Update the Google Play Store or Roku Store. Sometimes the apps won't respond because the store itself is outdated. Open the store app and manually check for any pending system updates. Step 6. Fix the network handshake. If apps like Netflix or YouTube aren't responding, your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi might be dropping packets. Switch to a 5 GHz band or use an Ethernet cable for a more stable connection. Step 7. Reset the DNS settings. Manually change your network configuration to use the Google DNS. Enter DNS 8.8.8.8 as your primary server to speed up app response times. Step 8. Correct the system time. If your TV's date and time are wrong, many apps will fail to launch for security reasons. Ensure your clock is set to Network Provided Time in the Settings menu. Step 9. Reinstall the problematic app. Delete the app entirely from your TV and then download it again from the store. This replaces any missing or broken code in the software. Step 10. Perform a hot memory refresh via power cycle. Unplug your TV from the wall for 2 full minutes. This drains the internal capacitors and flushes out stuck data that a regular remote restart cannot reach. Here is a pro tip for you. If your apps are still sluggish, try turning off Quick Start mode in the power settings. This forces the TV to load the operating system fresh every time you turn it on, which keeps it much faster. If you are facing any difficulty with these steps, please leave a comment below. I will personally reply to your questions within 1 hour to help you get it fixed. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more straight-to-the-point tech help. You are now ready to get back to your movies.